Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel and today's makeup look is simple party makeup look. So let's get started. Now I'm applying eye moisturizer all over my face and be gentle when you apply it all over your face. Massage it, and basic thing I want to share with you is please don't be in a hurry when you moisturize your skin as your skin needs hydration. Give some time for it to set. So the skin gets hydrated a minimum of 5 minutes, and after that we can proceed to applying a concealer. Now I apply the La Pro HD Define Concealer under my eyes and blend out the concealer evenly to get rid of the creases. Apply the required amount. As I don't have intense dark circles, I'm applying minimum concealer. Now I am done with applying the concealer on both my eyes. Now I am applying the Sugar Foundation in the shade RAF 14 all over my face and blend it out evenly. I'm using a brush to blend the foundation. You can even do it with the sponge or the fingers, but presently I'm using the brush. And this foundation blends in easily, and as I have very less pigmentation, I'm using very little of the foundation. For contouring, I am using the MAC Lamp Cream Contour. Applying it on my nose. My nose is a bit wider, so to make it look slimmer, and then the contouring helps my nose to look slimmer. Also applying it on my cheekbones and on the jawline. Now blending in the contour. For eyebrows, I'm using the MAC eyebrow gel in the shade black. I have fuller eyebrows, but I like more defined eyebrows. So I start filling all the gaps between my eyebrows, and that's it. So now I'm done with my eyebrows. So now we are going to eyeshadow. So the first thing is we are going to use a primer, Forever Primer, over the eyelid. On both the eyelids. Dab it lightly. And now I'm using the same concealer, that is the La Pro concealer, on the eyelids. Give some time, like 2 minutes, for it to penetrate. So after 2 minutes, now we are going to use a loose powder for baking. Apply a very little amount of the loose powder. Don't use much of the powder over your lids, as the pigments you're using on the eyeshadow doesn't come out. I'm using the Carnival 9 eyeshadow palette, and the shade I'm using is a Vido shade. Applying it very lightly over my crease. Applying the shade Showboat over the crease and on the crease area. Applying the same shade of Showboat under the crease. Now I apply the shade Peppermint in the center of my eyes. Applying Sugar Kajal on my low waterline. Now I am using the Lakme Sketch eyeliner. I'm applying the shade Vido from the same palette on my lower lash line. Now I apply the shade Hustle in the center of my eyelid. I use my fingers to dab this color. Now I am using the highlighter in the shade Moony in the inner corner of my eyes and the eyebrow bone. Now I am using the blush from Just Herbs Nourishing Lip and Cheek Tint. I am using the fingers to dab in on the cheekbones. You can even use a brush. For lips, I am applying the Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Baby Doll. I'm applying little more blush on my cheeks with the same lipstick of Huda Beauty. I've completed my look and I really hope you all liked it. Please comment and let me know. If you like it, please do leave a like. It really helps me. Thank you.